Welcome to the robot world, shiny and so bright. Baby pandas visiting, a happy, lovely sight. With friendly gears and pastel skies, we'll learn and play today. Come along, our robot friends, let's sing and count away. One blue robot waving high, saying, "Hello, friend." Two pink rolling robots, spinning to the end. Three bright yellow drones, flying in the air. Four square orange helpers, cleaning everywhere. Five green puppy robots, wagging metal tails. Six purple spinning tops, sliding on the rails. Seven shiny cleaning bots, sweeping up the floor. Eight red bouncing springy bots, leaping out the door. Nine golden star bots, shining in the night. 10 tiny microbots, dancing with delight. Red, blue, yellow, green, colors all around. Look at all the pretty things in robot world we found. Red robot paints a heart, so warm and so bright. Blue robot waters flowers under soft blue light. Yellow robot shines like a happy summer sun. Green robot plants a tree. Green robot plants a tree, growing one by one. Orange robot rolls some sweet orange spheres. Purple cloud bot rains down joy and happy cheers. Circles, squares, and triangles